This is the separate system I have, just this one 100 watt panel I got a couple years ago from Harbor Freight. Works pretty good. I was actually going to add it to this system, but realized it's 100 watts. These are 100 watts too, but the panels are different sizes. This one's a little wider than these. So I had originally bought 5. I was going to make it one 600 watt system. And then I just ended up buying one more panel, same size as the other ones, to make this separate system. That 100 watt panel comes into here, this Renogy charge controller, and it goes into the far left port, the black and red there, and then the next two go down to this lead acid battery here. It's got a pretty high storage capacity. It's good for like trolling motors and stuff. So that's these. What's coming down here goes into a 30 amp fuse here, inline blade fuse. So that's connecting to the battery here with these clips. I have it that way so I can also charge other batteries with it, and I have this upgraded system, and I can also connect it here to help charge these lithium iron phosphate batteries. I just have to change the settings in the charge controller before I hook them up. But then the other two go down to these bus bars here, the positive and negative, so I can connect a few different things to the load of the charge controller. So right now I have a circuit of, I have 2 separate circuits of these lights here. They're LED motion sensor lights. I 3D printed the case for them and wired the inside together. I have some videos back in my channel if you want to check them out in more detail of that. So I have it, this is the first circuit here, just goes up through the ceiling in the basement here. This room I have, there's that one. So that's connected to the one over here, and then this is the second circuit here. We have this light, which also goes up. So that light comes down, goes all the way down here, next to the entrance of our basement. So yeah, we have 4 of these little lights down here right now, just to help so we don't use our other lights as much. This big motion sensor light has an AC plug, so I have that plugged into this bigger system we have here, into the power strip there, which is plugged into the inverter. So basically I have off-grid lighting in the basement so far. So just kind of slowly doing what I can to make the most out of the solar that we have and put it to use. It's fun to learn and experiment with this stuff. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. Also check out the giveaway I have going on. I have just posted a video about giving away one of these once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so take a look.